Weather First with meteorologist Joshua Rivas.
Alrighty, and good Thursday afternoon, everybody. It's time for a quick web weather update here from the SNN Weather Center. Not too much going on with the sunshine and clouds, and we'll see some scattered storms as we go throughout this afternoon and evening. Quick look at the tropics here. Actually pretty quiet. Ever since Joaquin left the picture, really not looking at too much across the tropics, as it should be this time of year. In an El Nino type year, we see the wind shear across the Caribbean Sea really keeping things pretty quiet. A few areas of convection near Central America, not all too uncommon here. We'll see a little bit of increase in moisture possibly over the next several weeks in the Caribbean Sea, but not really looking at too much in the way of tropical development. Now locally, again, I mentioned it before, scattered storms for the rest of today. We had that humidity back and the heat as well, so lots for a good chance of scattered storms. Temperatures today, pretty warm again, but near seasonable numbers. For this weekend, we're looking at dry air coming down. It's a question mark though, will it be comfortable? Looks pretty similar to last weekend where dew points were in the upper 60s, but still drying out. As for the waters today, east to northwest wind, 10 to 15 knots at times. Seas running 1 to 2 feet with a light chop, 87 degrees, not all bad. I'll look for those scattered storms in the afternoon. Same thing for the beaches, east, northeast to west winds. Surf running 1 to 2 feet. UVindex pretty high, sunset at 7:09, so if you can, make sure you get out to the beaches, take a quick snapshots there. Should be a pretty nice sunset for tonight, 82 degrees as the water temperature. As for the setup, that moisture again, like I mentioned before, is in place with a light easterly wind, so can't rule out that chance of scattered storms for today. Dry air to our north, and we'll see that come down later on. Let's take a look at it. In the mid-levels of the atmosphere, you can see the dry air clearly right here where the front's coming down. Now again, as it gets closer to us, you can kind of see it kind of slowly meanders, and it's a question mark because here's the really comfortable air right here. Will it come over us? Will it stay to our west? We're trying to pinpoint that over the next several days, but again, we can cross our fingers and hope that it really does come over our area. That would really lower the dew points and keep our low temperatures even lower than last weekend. So if you enjoyed last weekend, if we can get this comfortable air to come over us, it's going to be a fantastic weekend. Temperatures for today topping out in the mid to upper 80s near average with about a 40% chance of rain. And for tonight, in the low to mid 70s near the coast, and in upper 60s possibly in extreme inland spots with about 20% chance of rain, turning very cloudy after midnight. 70 forecast, 40% chance of rain for the rest of today, 30% on Friday. Not all that bad. Temperatures near average. As we go into the weekend, looks like Saturday will begin to dry out late Saturday going into Sunday. Temperatures close to seasonable numbers. Low temperatures right now near 70 degrees. Again, if we can get that really comfortable air, we'll look at some upper 60s. We'll be pinpointing that throughout the weekend. All right, that's it for now. Web weather updates coming up later on today.